Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam API 64.dll missing or not found error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the Google search bar and search it and you will be get the first link. Click on it. Just need to scroll down. We just need to download the latest version over here, up over here. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, select a folder icon to open up this zip file. Just right click on the zip file and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to right click on the DLL file and just copy this DLL file guys. After that, you just need to go to this PC and C drive, find Windows folder. Just need to find system 32 folder, just double click on it. On right side blank area, just right click on it and paste this DLL file. Select continue. After pasting this DLL file, go back and find SYS wow 64 folder, double click on it. Just paste it in the right side blank area and just continue. After pasting this DLL file, just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.